Does skin type really change which sunscreen someone should be using day to day?
The number one mistake I see in daily skincare is not using the right products for your skin type. So it's so easy to use what your friend is using or use what you see on TikTok, but going to an esthetician that is gonna help you really customize your regimen is gonna be essential so that we can treat your concerns and your skin.
I hear a lot of people say they don't like to apply sunscreen because it feels weird on their skin, it maybe burn their eyes, it doesn't blend well into their skin. But I truly think that like all of Colorescience is so easy to blend on the skin. It doesn't burn your eyes. So I personally like to show and share all the different sunscreens so you can have a favorite that you like. Once you have a favorite sunscreen product that you like, it just becomes so natural and easy to apply it on an every single day basis.
For example, if you get a little oily throughout the day, the brush on is really good for reapplication because it's like you are applying your makeup, but you're applying your makeup with protection.
The best sunscreen for oily skin, we have a brush on sunscreen that is mattifying. We also have a primer that is mattifying as well. So if you have oily skin, it sucks up the oil. It is phenomenal. It helps support the skin, protect the skin, but not leave you greasy. The best sunscreen for dry skin, we want to lean towards the more hydrating. I love Flex. It's got a nice dewy finish. I also love No Show because it plays nice with all the other face shields as well as anything else you put underneath it.
In my practice, we actually only carry mineral sunscreens because it's so much better for sensitive skin types like acne prone, rosacea, any type of inflammatory skin types. We only recommend mineral SPF.
And this includes children as well. Of course, we're all very cognizant of what we're putting on our kids' skin, and it's really important for moms to feel comfortable and confident with the ingredients that they're putting on the skin of their precious babies.
I haven't always struggled with sensitive skin. This is something that's new to me. So as an esthetician of 16 years, this was honestly a really difficult thing for me to travel through. All of a sudden, I wasn't the girl who could wear all of the things. I was reacting to everything. And as a provider, I was throwing all the things at it. I was trying to fix it. And it just needed a lot of TLC and a lot less of the other stuff. So I turned to the Barrier Pro collection. I turned to the cleanser, the serum spray, the moisturizer. The Total Eye 3-in-1 was a game changer for me because my sensitivity centered around my eyes so much. They were red, my neck was reactive. That Total Eye 3-in-1, I was putting it on my neck to diffuse the redness. And it was really hard some days to see clients because they're coming to me for answers and here I am the one struggling. And so turning to the Barrier Pro, my barrier was completely was trashed from just hormone changes, metabolic changes, those kinds of things just manifested in my skin and it was debilitating, it was embarrassing. And so the All Calm collection also came into play, calming down the skin, diffusing the redness, taking the heat out, taking the inflammation out. So a lot of times it's not more stuff, it's just using the right things. And that's where Barrier Pro and All Calm completely changed my skin and my life.